Yeah, guys, this is All an FX, and we are talking about forex trading. So recently, gold has been just pushing to the upside. A lot of traders have been jumping on it. Guys have been crazy in my telegrams, my WhatsApp, sending me a lot of screenshots, like they are saying that they are actually making a lot of money. But what I know is one thing: lots and lots of traders are just buying gold just for the sake of buying gold. Most of them, they don't know even why they are buying it. They don't know why gold is pushing. They don't know that the US market currently is now crashing, that which is leading gold to be bleeding in that way. So remember, these things are it's like a vast to vast game. That when the US market is actually bleeding, most of the investors invest their money into gold because gold is a metal. And remember, even the US government backs its dollar using the gold. So, guys, gold is the safest metal. That's why in during these areas of struggle, when the US is struggling, most of the investors tend to run to gold because it's a safe haven. So, guys, that's the only reason why gold is really trending so fast. And guys, I predicted this because I said, if you go on my YouTube channel, I say that if gold will break that resistance, let me first check here quickly. If gold breaks this resistance, let me go quickly on the weekly time frame, and I show you what I predicted. And guys, this was in my mind before even gold moving to this file, because now it's in four. You see this move, that's the weekly. As you can see, that's the weekly. You see that move. I said if gold breaks this level, which is what's the name? Let me see. If gold breaks 3467.29, I said gold is gonna be moving to the upside, which it did. But one thing I did not anticipate that gold is going to move this far, because this is a very sharp. It has been pushing like sharply to the upside. So guys, if you go the 4 time frame, the only strategy I would apply was to buy and actually hold my gains, which I didn't do because for me I usually take profit at a is the ratio is 2 to is 1, it's 1 to 2. That's when I take my profit. But actually the real strategy I had to use was to buy gold low to reduce my risk, so that I can sustain my account in the market to get this whole move. Because guys, in the month of September, before October started, I had myself uh I had myself a setup here. I had myself a setup. If you can see, I had myself a setup. I don't know if it's clear, but I had myself a setup here. But I took it at the first push to the upside, which gave me a 1 is to 2. But it retraced back. But even on the retracement, it wouldn't have taken my stop loss. So, guys, if I just use the system of taking some partial profits from the market, then I would have capitalized on all this move, because ever since that time, gold has never given me any other setup. Gold has never given me any other setup. And you see how crazy, how much money would I have made from gold. You see that whole push from this area, from that area. You can see that whole push around. I don't know how many pips are this, but go guys, that's the system that I'm going to try to implement on gold. That's the system I'm going to be using in the coming days of gold. But I'm also anticipating a retest. If you go on the daily, I'm also anticipating a retest on gold, because this has been a very very crazy push, at least up to 36, up to 3686 60.63 ounces. That's where I expect gold to at least push back from to the upside. So guys, trade wisely. Remember to stick to your strategy and don't trade due to pressure. I know first. akaliro kangi bagaizi wange, naye just stick to your strategy, follow your strategy, and we shall win the market. This market is a brain game. It's not an emotional game. It's a brain game, more of the emotional. So put the emotions aside and use your brain to trade.